Welcome to Picture Healer channel. This is Shitian. Today we are going to talk about 8 mansion style feng shui and the basic rule to practice the 8 mansion style feng shui. The first rule is that if you are an Eastern group of person, you should live in an Eastern house. And if your life gua shows that you are a Western group of person, you should live in a Western type of the house. We talked about Eastern and Western group of person and the house, and I will put a link in the description below. And the Eastern group of the person should match the Eastern house, and the Western group should match the Western house. When your life gua and the house gua matches, it brings you good luck. Rule number 2 is to know whose life gua number to consider for the 8 mansion style feng shui. And traditionally, it's the husband because typically the husband is a breadwinner. And today we consider both husband and wife and even other family members, depending on what you like to enhance or improve in your life. The third rule is to evaluate both your life gua and the house gua, and not just one of them, especially the life gua, because the life gua is forever. It doesn't change, but the house gua we can arrange and change the location of the rooms or the direction of furniture to improve the feng shui of the house. Rule number 4 is about the location of the entrance and the rooms. For the main entrance, it should be located in one of those 4 lucky directions. And this also includes the living room or bedroom. But for the kitchen and the restroom, they should be located in one of those 4 inauspicious directions. When a kitchen or the restroom is located in one of those 4 inauspicious directions and the sectors, it actually will bring you good luck. If they are located in a lucky sector, it will turn good luck into the bad luck. This is one rule that's very different from other styles of feng shui. The next rule is about the stove. The kitchen is supposed to be located in one of those 4 inauspicious sectors, but the stove is the opposite. The stove should face one of those 4 lucky directions. When the stove is located in the right direction, it will enhance your health, your money luck, and also your relationship. The next rule is about the conflict of each person's life gua and the house gua, and how to choose the best compromise. When we cannot arrange the best feng shui for everybody in the family, we have to look at the second best thing we can do. Maybe we can find the best sector to locate certain rooms or arrange the furniture so the furniture is facing certain person's lucky directions. It is very difficult to have perfect feng shui, but we can rearrange different rooms or furnitures so everybody benefit from the feng shui and minimize the negative energy. And the last point is to consider the exterior environment outside of the building, especially near the front door. Is there any water or the mountain or structures that creates certain environment. That is very important part of the Feng Shui, no matter which style of the Feng Shui you practice. So these are the basic rules when you practice the 8-mansion style Feng Shui. It is according to the traditional book, so some of them might be outdated, and it's up to us how to use the tool. You just have to try it and see which style works best for you. Thank you for watching today, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.